Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how you can easily order from your Depop account using the Depop application on your smartphone or tablet. So first of all, open the Depop application on your device, or you may also go visit the Depop website and sign into your account. Once you're logged into the home page, go ahead and search for a specific item you are looking for. Go to the search bar at the top and type in the name of the item you are looking for. For example, I'm just going to type in tops. Now from the tops category, go ahead and find the one you'd like to purchase. You can also sort by price, relevance, or newly listed category. And once you find the item you want to purchase, click on it. After you click on it, you'll be able to see the detail page of the product. Before buying anything, open the listing and look at the photos. Zoom in and out of the photos. Check all the photos and then look for its descriptions, size, condition, price and shipping cost, and so on. Don't forget to check the review as well. And once you're satisfied with the product, you can then proceed to check out or order the product. Now, if you are sure you'd like to buy the product, click on Add to Bag at the bottom right. And once the product is bagged, go to the top right corner and tap on your bag. Now, you'll be able to see the checkout button in the bag. Click on it to proceed with the product purchase. On the next page, you'll need to add your address. And now, select your payment type. You might have a little bit of vast option when it comes to payment type. This happens because you have a different region. If you have multiple payment options, then you can select any one you feel comfortable with. Since I only have the PayPal option over here, let's tap on the PayPal checkout button. Simply proceed with the checkout and follow through the on-screen instructions. And after you confirm the purchase, you will be able to place an order on Depop. After the seller ships the item, tracking info will appear in your purchase section. You can message the seller if shipping seems delayed. Ordering from Depop is just like buying from social marketplace. Just browse, check seller trust, and purchase securely. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.